Well, it is 11:40 p.m. on Thursday, December the 28th, 2023. And this is the last of the bed linen. I've changed 3 beds today, and I have laundried up all of that linen. I don't like for laundry to build up because for me, that becomes overwhelming to look at that and to deal with it. So, feeling pretty good about myself. I've been busy all day today. My day started at 6 a.m. I did go to sleep about maybe 8:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. So I've gotten up, did a walkthrough to the house, make sure everything is in order, all doors are locked, make sure uh, the bathroom, being in Mother Mason's bathroom, is in order. So I'm going to start the dishwasher, and I will have completed another day of caregiving duties. Gotta jump on tomorrow. Already straightened their chairs and shook out the chair coverings and vacuumed the rug underneath. I've been a busy little bee today, but all the beds have been changed for the week and the linen washed. And I'll put this away tomorrow. These sheets go in Mother Mason's room. These are her sheets. And my daughter has a system that all the sheets for each bed is in the bedroom. So bed sheets are, his linen is kept in his room. The linen for her bed, my daughter's bed, is kept in her room. All right then, you have a blessed night. Thank you for coming along on my journey. I'm on assignment for 3 months. It's caregiver.